Briggs and Stratton engine. Seems to run pretty good. Hey, we've got headlights on this, but I don't know where the headlight switch is. This one came with a shut-off switch. So we turned the key off, there's a bit of a delay, and I've always found that if there's a shut-off switch, it may be for a reason, so I've been using it. Like I mentioned, it's got headlights, headlight wiring, but we're not sure where the switch is for this. This machine starts right up. It runs, drives, and mows. It's got a 42-inch deck. It's a gear machine, so you've got forward and reverse, and then here's the different gear settings here. Here's your throttle. This is choke here, and ignition. The seat's in excellent shape. Your mower deck engagement and your deck height setting. We're selling this machine as is. We have not serviced it or gone through it. We're selling this one as is. If you're interested in it, if you want to come take it for a test spin or take it home, come on out, or you can call or text 660-888-7288, or you can email us at richlandcreekholdings@gmail.com. Hey, thanks for watching.